beard up and in the country now go up, brother. You know, give the people them nothing for do, brother. So what you think them out? That's why you see the youth them a do what? Scam up, fire shut up. A beard that a go on up, appear up and the country now go up. You know what I see them a do regularly. A be false information them a spread, you know, upon the media, you know, upon them propaganda media, you know. It's about the country and move forward, and 2 million people can't find food and journalists. I want to tell you, man. Come out with a little false statistics, brother. Stop the fooling this, man. You see me, the people them no fool no more, brother. I hear the worst government we see, you know. Me say, you beat Porsche to blouse and skirt, cause one of the time people them beat Porsche bad, me tell you say, you them a beat bad right now. The amount of name they have for you. They call it nose man, bro devil, the antichrist forward. The amount of name where they give, brother. One man have so much name to write it. But bro God, I know your name now. You can't get that one there. Daddy one name that here. You can't if youth name. Big up yourself, daddy one. You can't get bro God. You're a bro devil. You can't add that one there. You see me? But the only thing you do you make the bro God thing go big though. You make it go bigger. Daddy one slang there. We know the man for his slang. Daddy one, you thief it. Run with it. Come and show class to the younger you, then call them and say, yo, my boy, they, you know, say, young people time now. Young people time. Look what young people do. Look what the young people living at the Labour Right Party do. I get manipulated. I spread false rumor. Flight green. Where the umbrella name again? Bug Life. So we know some call him Bug Life, cause him have an glass, you know. He look like the bug them in his movie for real. Bug Life. Come out and talk about Michael man, PNP no bill, no hospital. PNP nowadays PNP no bill no hospital, but Michael Manley them bill hospital went down in back in the days. Nowadays PNP them shrink. It two party then shrink. But Mark Golding, we are going to see what Mark Golding is offer to the table, because if you don't see Mark Golding added blouse and skirt and Jones, we can't declare an asset. Yo, me say, I so we are going to see. You see what Mr. Patterson say? Say, the two party then shrink together, and birds of a feather flock together, and a two colonized party, colonial party, the colonialist power give them the power to run the country the way they want to do it, in the best interest of them, so they can get where they want to suck out with resources out of the country, and to take it to Europe, and to build them iPhone, and to build them then this, and to build them that, while 2 million people are dead for hunger in our country, brother. Tell me one thing, people. The country can't run so. Country can't run so, brother. Country can't run so. I tell the government, say, fix up them blouse and skirt cabinet, because every time you see that brother, you shape up in cabinet. Yo, you see, we know some over there beat them body, you know. Big up say we know some. See I beat them bad, because I see I bring out some exposed with transport authority. You know, we are going to do a different program on that, because you have said things that I know far away, but some things me not hear you pick up on a dissect, because you know, you probably know, but you don't want to say it, you know, brother. But guess what, me have to say it. See? Have you think that the ministers have something to do with all of this? The minister then place the inchman, you know. That's what I may believe, you know. But here I say, have you think that the ministers them a benefit off of these millions and billions of dollars that the transport authority, the CEO and the director on the board, them a make amount of. Have you think that them a benefit off of it? Them probably get some percentage of the spoils of pausing the acne carriage. Them a pause it, them put it off, say yo, them not sell no more, them not grant you no more. But under the table, that's how the business there. The government know that. Want to think about it, you know. But me I can reason upon it differently, upon a different program, because we know some I bring out their exposure, but me I feel listen, but me I say it on a different level now. Me I feel think on a different level, say yo, the government they must benefit off of it. Because guess what? We have a commissioner, we have a Google Gaga for a commissioner, you know, yo. All of them blows and skirts sitting there and there is no investigation, eh? And inside that, an insider send the man the information. Yo, bless up on the safe, you know, they're on the reason can I right now the video. We just all courtesy of Scott Hype, you know. Cause them attack the things them, you know. Andrew Holness government, a sub-zero government them. You see me? And Andrew Holness, you like the done set of people them, brother. Me see that for true. You like the done set of people, and you come in and you say this, you know. And you say this. All well thinking Jamaican. You see me? And you say that. And you tell the people themselves raise them voice in concern or in concert. But me I raise mine in concert. We don't go want the drummer them and the blows and scorpion play them for start play. So me can raise my voice and sing in concert. For tell you say yo Andrew Holness, your government now work. You now do no job, you now do nothing, brother. You need to pack up and go, brother. You're not a criminal, brother. I be a criminal activities we see are going and I be a criminal we see surround you. Babs Grange a criminal. Blouse and skirt. No, a criminal that think we don't know where I go on. We want to one party. Think we don't know where I go on. No where I go on. I wish Dan dead side who get shot side of issue. I wish Dan dead in a car where I named the panic. Oh, who here is a love bad man? Okay, who here? No you man. Oh, Perennial Charles. Oh, only in the coup for assassinate Michael Manley with Siaga and you Perennial Charles and Babsy Greens. Oh, I see dog pa father and liar in there talk about. Oh, I the report if read. I the report if read. For I don't want to lock up my good friend Babsy Grange. You hear him? A criminal them. Birds of a feather flock together when them a do wrong. Cause they don't want to go jail. But guess what? Me just say this again and again. I see if Mark forward in and audit them. I ask them where their riches forward from. But me know Mr. Patterson from the UIC. I go beat them bad if the people then give them a chance. Boy, I say a whole heap of things to talk about, you know, man. I not lie, man. A whole heap of things to talk about. A whole heap of things to talk about. Is it? Whole heap, a ton of that thing me have to talk about. But me don't know if me can just talk about them in a one variety right now. You see me? Because me want to do the show them when I do it just dedicated to one video or two video. You see it? Or someone would want to do it. But what I want to say is that what I want to say, see? if Mark Golden forwarding and don't show certain things, you know. Yo, keep it to that time, people. We're up on a reason, because that video I gonna be the end of it, you see it. So bless upon yourself. Continue support me thing. And to all of the viewers them who have view and now subscribe. Why you take on for just click the bell, man. Click the bell, man, and make it go bingy-lingy-ling, man, for you get in the blouse and skirt. Notification, man. When me drop anything, man. Click it bingy-lingy-ling, man. You know, like when they're in a primary school. Cause when you go to high school now, they have the foreign bell, you know. So when we start high school now, we hear that. Like you know, the foreign bell, we start saying, yeah, boy, the high school, or some female, but the high school, every time we hear the bell, you know. Cause guess what? When they are primary, you know. When they are primary, you know, blouse and skirt, you always see the teacher they walk out in the primary and basics, you teacher then just walk out with this big bell. Bing-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. At that moment, you know, do, man, just click this blouse and skirt subscribe bell, man, and click the all, man, so you get all of the bing-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling, all of the blouse and skirt primary basic school notification them. Is it? Yeah, when people bless you for the sake for the reason, because nowadays, yeah, man.